5 Best Low-Light Indoor Trees to Improve Your Home Decor. Indoor plants have always had a special place in gardeners' hearts, especially the ones with deep and vivid foliage. However, there are houseplants that we frequently overlook because we deem them to be too bulky. Trees. And no, you don't have to grow an oak, birch, or pine in your living room. There are some compact trees, such as indoor palms, ficuses, and yuccas, that will fit in your house perfectly. However, some of them have another superpower. They can tolerate low-light conditions. Of course, some of these plants cannot thrive if there is not enough sunlight, but they can manage just fine. So, let's look at some of these trees, and who knows, perhaps you'll even find one to fall in love with. 5 Low-Light Indoor Trees. Trees that can tolerate or even thrive in low light levels are perfect companions for your low-light hanging houseplants, such as pothos, monstera, and some ferns. Therefore, low-light plants are the plants that prefer to be a few feet away from bright, west-facing windows. Below, you will find all sorts of trees that will remain green year-round, even in darker corners of your living room. 1 Corn Plant. This plant's corn-like, glossy green leaves make it suitable for any modern design. However, most growers prefer the variegated variety because the yellow stripe down the middle or along the edges really accentuates the beauty of the foliage. The corn plant doesn't require much care. Keep it in indirect sunlight, water whenever the top inch of the soil dries out, and plant it in a loamy, well-draining growing medium. If you want to ensure the best growing conditions for this tropical tree, ensure that the humidity levels are at least 40 to 50%. A simple humidifier can help you with this. You don't have to feed this plant, but if you want to boost its growth rate, you can fertilize it once a month during spring and summer with well-balanced plant food. 2 Weeping Fig. The narrow, oval foliage of this fig tree, in addition to its shrubby appearance, makes it a perfect decoration. However, it cannot tolerate low light or the cold, as well as some other ficus trees, so it's not the best plant for beginners. That only means you'll have to find a perfect spot for it and monitor it a bit more frequently than your other plants. The best place for this plant would be near an east-facing window, but you can always keep it a few feet away from western windows. This plant also requires fast-draining soil, high humidity 50 to 70%, and water only when the medium begins to dry. For the best results, feed it with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer throughout its growing season. 3 Fiddle Leaf Fig. This plant's large dark green leaves form a beautiful canopy above the trunk, but they can be overwhelming, especially in smaller spaces. This plant is ideal for spacious rooms where it can truly shine. Many fiddle leaf fig issues, such as yellow leaves, black patches, brown spots, and droopiness, are caused by inadequate irrigation, under or overwatering, and the wrong location. This plant cannot tolerate direct sunlight, especially during midday and afternoon hours, so keep it a few feet away from west-facing windows. This plant can tolerate some lower light levels, but it looks its best in bright, indirect light. Plant this fast-growing tree in a well-draining medium, irrigate it only when the soil begins to dry, and increase the humidity levels to 50%. This fig tree is not a heavy feeder, so you won't have to fertilize it that often. Liquid fertilizer with a 3:1 NTK ratio once or twice a month is more than enough. Just remember to dilute it, so you don't burn your plant's roots. For Lady Palm. This slow-growing palm tree has amazing-looking, dark green fronds that are the perfect addition to your indoor jungle. This is a true low-maintenance palm tree, so you only need to worry about watering. Even though it does prefer higher humidity environments, it can tolerate drier conditions as long as you water it whenever the topsoil begins to dry. You won't have to worry about lighting because this plant can handle low light quite well, although it will grow faster in bright, indirect light. It requires loamy soil with good drainage, and you only need to fertilize it once a month with a diluted houseplant fertilizer. 5 Kentia Palm. Feather-like, green fronds are just a part of the allure this plant has to offer. Its bright green and skinny trunk changes its color as it grows older and becomes more and more brown. Plant it in a potting mix for palm trees. Water it once the topsoil dries out, and mist it from time to raise humidity levels. It can thrive in low light conditions, but if you only have free space near a west-facing window, you can always draw the curtain to reduce the sunlight. Thanks you for watching this videos.